Today I'm going to be starting some seeds. There's Deity's Grandiflora, Fortnight Lily. And they basically get... I actually ordered this one, the bicolor. But somehow I got the Fortnight Lily. Not sure how that happened. So I've never grown the Fortnight Lily. I have grown this one. It's a big, it's just a tall grass, and then you'll get the flower on it. So I like to start my seeds in something like this egg carton. I don't buy eggs, but I get these from other people. So basically I cut the lid off. Cut the lid off with my scissors, and I put that underneath, and then I fill it with dirt, and then I put my seeds in. Alright, so I now have my dirt in. I have marked it what it is, so I don't forget, because I have more than one of these going. And now I'm going to put my seeds in. I like to grow things from seed for a couple of reasons. One, because a lot of plants you can't just go to the store and buy. Around here in my part of the world, they want to have stuff in April and May when gardening's popular, but then the best times of the year to start seeds or plants, they don't have anything. So if you buy it online, order seeds online, you have a better chance of getting what it is you need or want, and starting it at the right time for your zone. I don't remember ever seeing these Fortnight Lilies in like Lowe's or Home Depot. The Deity's bicolor, I can't remember if I put one in this one. Oh well, it'll have two if I did. I have bought that in the store before. So I'm gonna try something new. If we don't like it, we'll go back to the Deity's bicolor. The bicolor works really well in zone 9. No watering. I've never had to water it. So I like that because I don't like wasting water. Not only that, but I'm on a well and it's expensive. I turned some light on. So anyway, now I'm going to water this, and I'm going to set it in a sunny location outside on my shelf and wait for it to sprout. Now you do not want to let these dry out. You want to make sure they stay moist, and the carton's going to keep it a little moister than like a plastic container would. So here we go. We're going to put it on a shelf, and if you want to see how these turn out, please subscribe.